Me zen.
Are you ready?
Ready when you are.
Here is the pastelón.
This is what I needed. Oh, this is delicious though. Let's see how good Matt did.
Please welcome Gadiel.
Woo! Damn, that was good.
You know, I tried.
That was so good. I was
You
like,
know.
me? I was born and raised in New York. I'm from Harlem. I lived in a dangerous neighborhood. So I was like, I'm gonna get out of here. So I joined the Navy.
Yes.
I was aircraft director for 4.5 years, part of the war in Iraq and Afghanistan. After I left the Navy, I started doing stand-up, right? And I started doing my own videos online. BuzzFeed found out about me. You know, we want you to work for us. And then that's how come I got hired and I ended up in Pero Like.
And how long ago was that?
That was 3 years ago. A little background about Matt and I.
Yes.
You did a video for Haiti at that time. Julissa and I found out about it, and there was something, Dominican Independence Day was coming around the corner.
Yeah.
And Matt, you were the only person in Tasty that was trying out a new format, especially celebrating other history. So, you know, I want to thank you for doing that, and so you wanted to add more character to it. You want to add more theme, and you also want to add people of color too.
Yeah.
So we thank you for that. Thank you for representing us, yo. You a real one, son.
You know what? I try. And also, that recipe is really good. It's from their families. Mango con los tres cloves.
Yeah.
You have to make it.
Comedians are the toughest people I know. You have to be a little mentally crazy to be a comedian. And you have to step up in front of a stage and make people laugh. No matter what, even if you don't feel like it, you don't have the energy to. Because you have to go on stage to places where people don't like you. You have to bomb over and over, and you're literally driving hours to eat shit. That's why a lot of comedians suffer from depression, because you have to be a special kind of person. Yeah, I like it to be real, so I do a lot of bar shows, like rugged places, and I love that. I love going up first. When I get them to laugh there, I'm like, okay, this shit was actually really funny.
Right. Here is the pastelón.
Oh, yeah.
We have 3 slices, because I knew you probably would want a lot, and we have some rice, and just like a little bit of a salad on the side if you want some veggies.
I could do that.
How did you have it growing up?
So usually at parties, Dominican parties, somebody will bring a big ass pastelón. It's the best thing ever. How do you learn how to do this? Pinterest?
So you remember Kiana from Tasty?
Yeah.
She did a 6 plantain recipe video for Tasty, and one of her friends who's Dominican came in and made pastelón. So I kind of based off of that.
They should have told me. Nobody told me that. When I was a kid, I would cry, and my father was like, men don't cry.
Yeah.
And then, you ever see me cry? I was like, no. Yeah, when you drunk. You just sit there and you cry. So I would love to be able to have the freedom to be like, okay, be emotional in front of somebody.
Like, feminism is everyone being equal, so it's important to like build women up. At the same time, men are kind of kept in a prison of like their own emotions, right? And it's not until men are able to feel vulnerable and able to express their emotions healthily, happily, and truthfully that we really both equal.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo. Let's see how good Matt did.
We'll see.
The sweetness on top, the meat in the middle. It's like eating lasagna, but you're eating plátano lasagna.
Yeah.
It's like heaven on earth. No, this is delicious. It's not every day I get to eat this. It's good.
It's hitting the right spots.
It's really the right spot. It's what I needed. Thank you, Matthew, for having me here. Show him love, support Matthew. I am so excited. Thank you for cooking for me too.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy the podcast, and we'll see you next week.
Adios.
Now let's all have some food, guys.
I'm gonna put on my Insta story right now.
Let's do it.
On my phone.
Let's do it.